Hey, what's up YouTube? It is the Brick Building Kids. Guys, today I'm back with another ring review and unboxing, and what we're going to do here today is we're going to unbox this starter kit, which contains 2 light bulbs and a ring bridge. Now, in one of our prior videos, we reviewed an outdoor floodlight, and we are not able to actually interact with it at all without the bridge. So we're going to kind of do 2 things today. We're going to check out these light bulbs, which are supposed to last a very long time, and we're going to review this bridge as well. So let's get started. Here we go. Alright, now first let's check out what is inside of this box. Alright, now for us, this all started with a Ring alarm system and just kept growing from there. We very much like the Ring ecosystem have tried, we've tried Blink, we tried some other ones, and Ring has just always done us right. So, alright, in the box, we've got our light bulbs, we've got our bridge. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, and that is it. So we have our Ring bridge, and I'm assuming these are USB or power adapters. Yep. Okay. We've got some mounting pieces. Perfect. Alright. And here are our light bulbs. Ooh, these are a lot heavier than other light bulbs, so very cool. Alright, light bulbs, USB, our power source, and our bridge. Okay, so I'm going to open up the app and we're going to start to set this up. And I will be sharing my screen. Alright, so we've given our bridge a nice charge, so I'm going to set up my screen sharing now for you. So we're going to open the Ring app. Alright, and we're going to set this device up. We're going to go to Smart Lighting. Okay, confirm my location. I'm ready to scan my code, and you'll see the code comes on this. The code actually exists on the back of the bridge as well. We're going to scan this. Okay. Alright, so we're in a nest. So we should have strong Wi-Fi everywhere that I put this. Alright, plug in your bridge. Bridge is on. Okay. Blue light is flashing. I'll let this continue to update. Alright, so we have completed setup. We'll set up Ring Smart Lighting. Scan the QR code on your device. Okay. Okay, so we're going to install this bulb. Okay, so here is our bulb we're going to replace this with. let's go back to the app. Okay. Hopefully when you are installing your own, there are not so many updates, but no guarantees. One thing with Ring is it seems like there are a lot of updates to keep everything interacting together well, so I will not complain about that in any way. Okay, so what we did is we renamed this to Hallway Light A. There's going to be 2 light bulbs in the hallway, and now we're connected. Okay, so I'm going to add another one. Okay, ready to scan. Okay, do the same thing here. Okay. Alright, we'll just give it a moment to find the bridge. And another update. Okay, so we renamed that to Hallway Light B, A and B. So okay, so I'm done for now. So I'm not going to do any schedule, and I'm going to complete it from here. Now, if we look at our devices, so I've got lots of things in here. So here's our hallway lights and our bridge. So I'm curious, so our smart lights are here. Now I'm going to have to go back and find my QR codes for the outdoor lights, and we're going to continue this video. But one thing that I'm not sure how it's going to work, but we're going to try it here today. So I'm going to turn our lights off with the switch, which Ring tells you not to turn it off on the switch. So flip it back on, it's on. So I should be able to tell our Alexa hallway lights off. So let's try this. Alexa, hallway lights off. Alright, sweet. So it finally heard me, it turned it off. So I go to use the switch to turn it off, it's going to turn them off. I go to use the switch to turn it on, turns it back on. So might be a little nuisance with toggling, but our biggest obstacle with this light right now is traffic. Kids running up and down and turning the hallway lights on and off, or not turning them off. So, you're sitting down, it's comfortable, you're watching TV, and the hallway lights are stuck on, and this is just going to be a very easy way for my wife and I to be casually lazy and turn it off with an Alexa command. So that is the lights, and like I said, this is a perfect scenario, exactly why I purchased these lights. So we're going to transition over to check out the floodlight, and let's move. Alright guys, so it is cold. Follow the channel. This is one we installed a while back, but we're going to install it here now. So I'm going to record my screen. And we're going to head back into the Ring app and set up a new device. So smart lighting. Perfect. So what we see a lot with this is a lot of sensitivity. So we need to control that, and I kind of want to know when we're getting alerts back here too. So I haven't been able to do that. I haven't been able to tinker. Since this is wired, since it needed the bridge, now I'll be able to do all of that. Okay, so we're going to add a group. We're going to create a new group. This is going to be backyard. Okay, so we're going to add this eventually to our backyard ring camera. So whenever there's motion at the ring camera, this turns on as well. So perfect. So I am done. Okay, so here I will finally be able to modify my motion sensitivity. So it's going on and off all the time now, so I'm going to change it to less motion now. Perfect. So we're going to have no schedule. So we're going to add a linked device. So we're going to do backdoor. No, we're not going to record an event here. Okay, so what we want to do is our backdoor. Okay, so we're going to add a link device here. So when motion is detected, our backyard, we're going to apply. So it turns on anytime that it detects motion. So perfect. All right. Well, friends, that is our conclusion of our video on the ring starter pack with our 2 new lights and our ring bridge, and we have just connected our floodlight to this. So we do appreciate you watching. If you have any comments, please leave them, and let me know if there's anything else I can help you guys. Let me know if you guys need any other help. Thank you very much for watching the Brick Building Kids.